I got a call from Google Manager Bangalore. They activated my auto recommendation and I'm satisfied. Okay. How to get back to my previous settings and cancel all that setting which they recommended? I think what you meant was I'm not satisfied because I find the auto recommendations is not the it's not in the best interest of the advertiser. Google will recommend quite a few things. You can ignore it or cancel it. Some of the things they recommend are good, but don't just trust blindly. And I think that's what's happened over here. That your campaign probably has dived and it's going downhill after all these recommendations were applied. You can't undo them, but what you can do is go into your change history and see what happened, and then either redo or undo whatever is applicable and try to get that campaign back to where it was before you applied or activated these auto recommendations.